Hi, good morning. I'm Father Johan Wongso. I'm the parish priest of Blessed Sacrament Church. Today we are having an open house, regardless the religion, nationality, race, and social status. This open house is in commemorating the 200 years the Catholic Church in Singapore. The Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Singapore oversees 360,000 Catholics. The most Reverend William Goh is the Archbishop of Singapore. The Archdiocese has 32 parish churches in Singapore. From providing spiritual formation and pastoral care for its members and those in need, the Archdiocese, in communion with the Pope, carries out its moral and social responsibility by working in collaboration with the government, NGOs, and IRO to preserve peace and unity, promote justice and truth in our society. Catholic 200 SG marks the 200th anniversary of the Catholic Church presence in Singapore. Throughout its history, the Catholic Church has impacted the development of the nation for the common good through shaping ethical values, education, social justice, healthcare, and interreligious dialogue. This commemoration seeks to engage and share with Catholics and Singaporeans about the role of the Catholic Church in Singapore through festivals, talks, and public events so as to strengthen communal relationships and build community resilience. This is the address of our parish, Commonwealth Drive number 1. I would like to share with you a little bit about the history of our parish. On the request of former Archbishop Monsignor Michael Okomendi, two ASCC priests from Holland were sent to Singapore in 1958 to prepare, build, and serve a future parish in Queenstown. In October 1963, Damien Hall was completed and used for worship. In 1964, the new priest house was completed, and in 1965, the beautiful church was officially opened. The founding parish priest was Father William Fansus, SCC, and now the population of our church are 3,500 people. The church building's conservation was announced by Mr. Ma Botan, Minister for National Development, at the 2005 URA Architectural Heritage Awards presentation ceremony at Malay Heritage Center on Monday, 26 September 2005. This is the website that you can search if you want to know further about our parish. These are the priests who are serving the Blessed Sacrament Church. You can see the eldest one, uh, white guy. His name is Father Anthony. He came from Holland. He has been serving in Singapore for more than 40 years. And then three of us are newcomers. You see at the back, Father Rusdi, Father Sam, and me myself, Father Johan. So three of us came from Indonesia. We have community life. among us, the priests, we have meal together, prayer together, happy hour together, and there are many other activities that we do together. These are the activities in our parish. First of all is the Eucharistic celebration, or known as Mass celebration, and then baptism. You can see in the picture is a baby baptism. Before COVID-19, we used to go for pilgrimage once a year. We also have youth activities, and also there are migrant communities in our parish. Most of them come from the Philippines and Indonesia. We also serve the elderly. Remember that our church is around the old town where there are many elderly. It is almost 70% of them are the elderly, and some of them are housebound. So we have regular visitation uh, to the housebounds. And in these pictures, uh, I give them souvenirs from our parish in commemorating our parish feast, the Corpus Christi. And there are many activities in our church that I'm not able to share with you in this opening words. Now, our church is under renovation, but we always open the gate for anybody who want to visit our church because we are welcoming parish. So we welcome everybody who want to visit our church or our parish.